name's Alex from the Advent Labeler Company. I'm going to do a demonstration of our 300 series line of pressure-sensitive labelers. Those are machines that have been designed to work with round containers, fiber, metal, plastic, and anywhere from about ½ inch in diameter to 12 inches in diameter. We're going to go through the 4 models. This is our entry-level model, the Advent 301. It's a manual machine, meaning it requires no electricity, which is very convenient for people who don't have an outlet or want to have the convenience to be able to move the machine anywhere in your factory. How it works, it's been set up. It comes with an overhead pressure arm if you have an unfilled or light container. You simply insert the container, turn the handle, and then tap. That feeds a single label on each and every time. You can see we've put about 10 labels on this container. You can see how accurate it is within a 1/16 of an inch. So let me do a couple here so you can quickly see. Insert, turn, and then tap. Just a little quick firm tap. It's one container. Most people should average about 10 containers a minute. This is great for companies that want to do no more than 1,000 a day. The label will go on very accurately, no bubbles, no wrinkles, and of course you have that ability to accommodate anywhere from 1 inch to 12 inches in diameter on the 301. It also allows you to do registration because you can line up the container in a very specific location. Next model is the Advent 302. This is our entry-level electric model. As you can see here, we've done these almost about 1½ inch diameter containers. This label's a little bit long. It's actually wrapping around about two to three times, and you can see how accurate that is. Our machines are usually rated for a 1/16 of an inch. Let me put those off to the side. Once again, we've turned the knob to accommodate a different diameter container. It's very simple. Just turn the knob 1 inch to 12 inches. Turn on the machine. Insert. It won't feed a label until you tap. Just like that. Do another one. Three containers, just like that. Probably you could average about 18 to 25 containers per minute. You can see it's only going to feed a single label. Really nice machine, no air, no sensors. It's the Advent 302. Next model is the Advent 300. This is our standard pressure-sensitive labeler. It comes with the stand. 301 and the 302 are tabletop labelers. It also includes the overhead pressure arm. What sets this machine apart, it has an automatic label feed. So when I turn it on, unlike the Advent 302 where you have to tap the lever, you just simply insert your container and it feeds the label on automatically. We have a little bit of an adjustable delay so it lets the container settle. It also allows the operator not to be rushed, so if you make a mistake, it won't feed a label right away. Just let it take it out of your hand, and of course it will just feed the label on. Single label, no bubbles, no wrinkles. If I want to adjust where the label goes, I just take my thumb locks on my guides, slide it over, and we should see the label go on much lower. Just like that, we've moved the label down. The other remarkable thing about the Advent machines is we have a fully adjustable roller system. So if you have containers with chimes, like aerosol cans, or just jars and cans, you can move the rollers left and right to accommodate those high points. It's really important for like water bottles, plastic water bottles. It really allows you to accommodate difficult round containers that a lot of machines wouldn't be able to get a label on without a bubble or wrinkle. We also have this removable shoulder, so you could do wine bottles or 1 gallon bleach type containers. It just comes off and allows you to accommodate those tall containers. Just go ahead and feed the label on this one, just like that. Our top of the line model is the Advent 310, a very unique labeler. Kind of bridges the gap between semi-automatic, putting one container in at a time, and automatic. What it allows you to do is not to handle the container again. So it's really great for small diameter containers like chapstick, which are about 1/2 inch in diameter. Same exact adjustments, 1 inch to 12 inches in diameter. And so you could use it like a normal Advent 300. You could take out the container. Or, where it really sets it apart, let me move the label up a little bit on this one. So it's the same guides. Just going to slide it over. So we're going to go the push through. Now Peter could go up towards the back and we can make sure we can demonstrate this correctly. So, this is the push through feature. See how quick you're going. If you're averaging about 25 containers a minute on the 300, you could do about 30 containers plus on the Advent 310. And of course you don't have to take out the container again if you don't want it. And the other neat feature on this machine is it has an optional hot stamp coater. It doesn't require air. It's available for the 310 and the 300. As you can see here, we're putting a hot stamp code on the label. And of course you could position that on the X and Y axis anywhere where you want. Great feature, really nice for pharmaceutical or the food industry. So those are the 4 models of Advent 300 labelers: 301, 302, the 300, the 310. If you have any questions, you can always be reached at our 800 number, 800-846-7716. Thank you.